Did you know that simply putting your legs up against a wall for 10 minutes a day can transform your health? In the world of yoga, this pose is called Viparita Karani, and it is one of the most powerful restorative exercises you can do. By reversing the effects of gravity, you allow your body to reset and heal from the day's stress. Here is how this simple pose restores your body. 1. Physical pain relief. Neck and shoulder tension relaxes the upper body and alleviates stiffness caused by poor posture or sitting at a desk. Hip and back pain eases pressure on the lower back and hips, promoting deep core comfort. Knee and leg discomfort soothes aching knees and prevents leg cramps by reducing muscle fatigue, especially for those who spend all day on their feet. 2. Circulation and internal balance. Overall fluid flow enhances the movement of blood and lymphatic fluid, helping to reduce swelling in the ankles and legs. Thyroid function boosts endocrine balance and stimulates a healthy metabolism by improving blood flow to the neck area. Migraine relief alleviates the severity and frequency of tension, headaches, and migraines. 3. Mental and emotional well-being. Stress and anxiety calms the nervous system, shifting your body into a state of deep relaxation. Sleep quality improves your sleep patterns and promotes a more regular sleep-wake cycle, making it the perfect pre-bedtime ritual. How to do it? Find a quiet space, lay on your back, and rest your legs vertically against a wall. Use a pillow or bolster under your hips for extra support if needed. Stay for 5 to 15 minutes and focus on deep, slow breaths. Note: avoid this pose if you have serious eye conditions like glaucoma or severe neck back injuries without consulting a professional first.